Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Z7 Ultra smartwatch. It is a Galaxy 7 Ultra smartwatch clone. And just similar to other clone smartwatch or latest smartwatch in the market, this wearable has a support for Bluetooth call as well as push notification. So let me show it to you. Okay, so we have here a call log, dialer, and message. So it has support for push notifications as well as the Bluetooth call functionality. And on this video, we are going to try and have a demo of these features. So if you are interested to see whether it works with the sleep fan application, watch this video. You can also ask some questions, like, share, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is the Z7 Ultra smartwatch, and we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth call as well as the push notifications. Again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. So we have here two smartphones. These are all Samsung smartphones, and one of the smartphone here is connected to our smartwatch. Okay, so we are using the Sleep Fan Health application. So it is paired with our Z7 smartwatch. As you can see here, we have here the device. We are connected, and when we paired our smartwatch, we already activated some of the apps here. Okay, so we have the Telegram, WhatsApp application, Facebook. Okay, not all apps are supported. Okay, so we have an ad here. As you can see here, there's no option for other options or the other apps. So there are limited apps supported for the Sleep Fan application. Okay, so let's check some other settings here. Do we have an option to add numbers on the smartwatch? Do we have a feature here? Let's see. We have the pedometer, sleep contacts, we have it here. Okay, so the option here is to sync or not. We don't have an option here to add the numbers manually. Okay, I guess we just have to use this one. Let's see. Okay, contacts, sync, and it's now syncing. Allow access to contacts. The Bluetooth device wants to access your contacts and call history. Okay, we'll allow it, and we'll see if we'll have our contacts here added to the wearable, and we have it here. Okay, so we don't have an option here to add the phone number. Okay, all of your contacts will be added here, but I'm pretty sure it is only limited to few numbers or few contacts. Okay, so that's it. Seems like everything is okay here. Everything is set. Okay, let's see on the Bluetooth section. Okay, let's go to our Bluetooth section. Okay, Bluetooth. Two devices connected. We do have the C8 Max and the Watch 7. Okay, seems like calls, audio, and contact access is okay. Okay, seems like everything is set. Let's start. Okay, we will have first our push notifications. So let's go first with the Viber app or Messenger. Is Viber supported? Okay, let me see. Sleep Fan Health app, message notifications. Okay, seems like we don't have a support here for the Viber application. But anyway, we'll try later on. Let's go first with the Messenger. Seems like the Messenger is the one that is supported. Okay, so let's say hello. to Sam. Okay, so sending. Okay, let's activate first the internet here. Again, let's send a message. Message sent. Okay, can we receive a notification? Sending hello. Okay, message sent. We're still waiting. Seems like there's a delay. We'll check it here. We did not receive any notifications from Messenger. Okay, Messenger. Notifications we do have here. Hello. Let's see the connection. Okay, seems like it's working, but we did not receive any notifications here. Let's have another one. Hello? No, we did not receive any notifications. How about a call? We have a call here, as you can see. Okay, so it works for the call, but we did not receive any message notifications. Hello again. Okay, message sent. We receive it here. Did we receive the message? Yes, we receive it here, but we did not receive any notification. Okay, so seems like there's an issue with the messenger here. Let's go with the Instagram. Let's send a message. Send it to Sam. Hello. Message sent. Nope. No message again. Again, hello. And we have it here. Okay, just a delay. But we were able to receive a notification from Instagram. Again, let's go with a messenger. One last try. Hi. Okay, message sent. It's just an audio call, I think. But no message. Hello. And we have it here. Finally. Okay, there's just some minor hiccup for the messenger. But the logo here is Facebook, not Messenger. But so far it works. Okay, finally it works. Okay, we have it now. Earlier it did not work. So it works with the Messenger and Instagram. How about the Viber app? Although it is not supported based on the support app, let's see, worth a try. Anyway, let's see. Hello. So maybe we'll receive some notifications from an unknown app. Did it work? How about a call? Ringing. Okay, so it's not working. And okay, how about WhatsApp application? Let's message Sam. Say hello. And we have it here right away. So it works with the WhatsApp application. How about this, the emoticons or the emoji? Does it work? No. There's no support for emoji. For the call, and it works as you can see here. Okay, and call. Okay, we answer call. You can answer the call here directly on the smartwatch again. Okay, we accidentally tap on the answer call and it works. Let's try with the, okay, you can end the call and call, or you can answer the call. Let's see. Hello? Hello? Okay, seems like it works. Okay, I'm not just sure if it's clear or not, but so far seems like it is working, as you can see here. Okay, so it works with the WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. How about our SMS? Let's say hello. Hello. Does it work? Hi. Okay, so we receive here a notification, as you can see, but we did not receive any messages. Maybe it's delayed again. Delayed. It has been delivered, but it's not working here. Hello again. Let's see. Did we activate the SMS? Let's see. Let's revisit again the settings for our Liufan Health app. Message notifications. Yes, we do have here SMS, but we did not receive any notifications. Okay. Seems like there's an issue also. We'll try again later on. Okay, maybe it will work. Okay. And so far, that's it for our app and SMS notifications. Next, we'll go with our Bluetooth call support. So we have here the contacts. We also have a dial pad. Yes, dialer. We do also have it here. We'll try that one. Okay. We'll try to check if it's working or not. Last one for the messages before we proceed with the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, so it did not work. No notifications. Okay, so let's proceed with our Bluetooth phone call. So we are done with the message or smart notifications. Now let's go to the Bluetooth phone calls. The Bluetooth phone call for the Z7 smartwatch has a support for contacts, call history, and dialer. Okay, so let's have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. So we have here our smartphone. Let's try and call someone. Okay, so let's call Sam. Let's see if we can receive it here on our Z7 Ultra smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have an option to end the call or answer the call. In our case, let's end the call. Okay, let's see if we have some options for our Bluetooth phone call on the settings. Can we change the tone? Okay, or the ringtone. Let's see, password, reset, vibration. Okay, so we don't have an option here. Okay, so we don't have an option to change the ringtone. Let's have another one again. And let's try to answer the call. Okay. Hello? The Bluetooth phone call works. Okay. As you can see, it is loud. The speaker is okay. The sound of the ringtone is also okay. It's not that really good compared to other smartwatches, but I think it's okay. How about it? Let's have an option to dial here. Okay, although we don't have enough load for this one, but anyway, we'll try. Let's try to listen.
Sorry, you don't have enough load balance to make this
Okay.
call. Load now and try again. To check your balance,
Okay, the
please
speaker is
download
okay.
Rewards. Download the Gigalife app or dial *123# now.
Okay, as you can see, the Bluetooth phone call here works. You can use the contacts to dial a number. You can also receive calls, okay, from someone directly here on the smartwatch. The speaker is not that high fidelity quality, okay, but I think it's okay. It's audible enough. And seems like the feature or the Bluetooth call feature is easy to use and it's stable. The only thing that an issue with the Bluetooth phone call is the adding of phone numbers. Okay, so as you can see here in the Leaf and Health app, we don't have an option to add a phone number. Okay, unlike other applications with an option to add the number that you want, here all you can do is just synchronize the smartwatch with a support app and you have the phone number added to the smartwatch. You can pick or choose the number. Okay, but so far the Bluetooth phone call works. The message notification works, except that it did not work with some of the apps as well as our SMS, okay, or text messages. So that's it for our video review of the Bluetooth phone call and the smart notifications of our Z7 Ultra smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. If you are interested to get the Z7 Ultra smartwatch, you can check it on different shopping sites. It is available. Okay, so that's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.